Ever wonder who keeps the aircraft moving on the ground safely? Let's head up and meet the team responsible. Welcome to the Den Ramp Tower, where we control all the aircraft in the airport's non-movement area. The non-movement area consists of the areas around the gates and the concourses.
While the FAA tower controls takeoff and landings, we keep the ground flowing through on the busiest airports in the world. The FAA tower gets the aircraft from the runway to here. We then guide them into their assigned gates.
In the winter, this team also manages aircraft de-icing and assists with coordinating snow removal on the ramps and gate areas.
As a ramp tower controller, it's vital that we stay in constant communication with pilots, operations teams, as well as our other ramp tower controllers. We also issue pushback and taxi instructions, safety advisories, and help maintain safe and efficient flow of traffic through our ramp areas. From radios and cameras to aircraft monitoring systems, we use advanced equipment to manage all aircraft movement on the ramp.
On average, we manage over 1,800 aircraft movements per day, 24/7, 365. With over 200 gates across our passenger and cargo areas, coordination is complex but extremely critical.
So next time you're at Den, just know there's a team up here making sure everything runs smoothly down there.